Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a Calendly link. This is a fantastic way to streamline your scheduling process and make it easy for others to book time with you without the back and forth emails. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to calendly.com. Once you're on the site, you'll need to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one first, but for this tutorial, we'll assume you're already set up and ready to go. After logging in, you'll land on your Calendly homepage. This is your central hub for managing all your scheduling links and events. Now, look for the Create button, which you'll typically find near the top of the page. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear showing you different event type options. These options let you customize what kind of meeting or appointment you want to offer. For this example, let's select one-on-one. This is perfect if you're scheduling individual meetings, consultations, or calls with clients, colleagues, or anyone else who needs your time. Once you've clicked on one-on-one, you'll be taken to a setup page where you can customize your event. Here's where you'll input a title or name for your event. Choose something clear and descriptive, like 30-minute consultation or quick catch-up call, so people know exactly what they're booking. Next, you'll need to set a duration for the meeting. This could be 15 minutes, 30 minutes, an hour, or whatever length works best for you. Right below that, you'll set the location. Calendly gives you several options here, such as a phone call, Zoom meeting, Google Meet, or even an in-person location. Pick the one that suits your needs. Once you've filled in all these details and everything looks good, click the Create button. This finalizes your event settings and generates the link. Now Calendly will show you a preview of your newly created event. You'll see all the details you just set up displayed clearly. Right beside your event, you'll notice a Copy Link button. Click on it, and just like that, your new Calendly link is created and copied to your clipboard. You can now paste this link anywhere, whether it's in an email, on your website, or in your social media bio, making it super easy for people to schedule time with you. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.